with McKenzie. He's got space on the far side. He's inside the 30, the 20, the 10, the 5. Touchdown. Good play. Not to the wrong side. Stayed inside the numbers. Zipped all the way down the field. Virtually untouched. McKenzie with the 10, and he's got the 5-yard line. McKenzie is caught. They're going to kick off touchdown for the Dawgs. McKenzie running taking the through. McKenzie, his second touchdown of the game.
Working the post from the left side. That's a pretty nice catch as well on the run with the ball over his head. You see him in the ISO, just his quickness and his ability to put his foot on the ground and cut routes around the linebacker.
He's there. McKenzie, touchdown, Georgia.
Jacob Eason got the look he wanted. McKenzie, there's the matchup. Penny, the best corner, terrible. Gave his guy a chance. Impressive poise for an 18-year-old true freshman.